Ah,
What the fuck?
bro.
What the heck?
Tayo na, dahil April Fools ngayon guys, gagawa tayo ng content. Ipaprank natin yung mga taga-ibang bansa guys gamit yung wig na to guys. Tingnan nyo. Ngayon, papasok natin dito sa tuhod natin par. Gaganon-ganon lang tayo guys. Gaganon-ganon lang tayo. Ngayon, titignan natin guys ha, kung anong bansa mapili natin.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, boy.
Like that baby, like that.
Bakit?
You wanna see here? You wanna see here? Shit. Just don't report me, okay? Oh my God! Wow! Someone's want to see you. You wanna see here? Okay. It's just a prank. It's just a prank. April Fools, right?
Nice.
Another one.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
What the fuck?
Bro.
What the heck?
Bro, what the...
Wow. Wow.
Gusto makita, bro?
Bakla yan?
Gusto makita? Gusto makita?
Hindi nga, pantunay. Ano yan?
Bigyan, pre. You wanna see her? It's free. Tawa na tawa.
Bakit ko nasuhay?
Ikaw,
Ay, pare kong tunay.
kung maingay. Tanga na.
Sorry.
Ayusin mo. Kapag re-report manonood ka? Seryoso. Wait lang yan, oh! Wala?